Hi, this is John from Revit for Interior Designers. Today I thought I'd show you our Summer 2020 project, where we spent 8 weeks walking through the interior design development of a Revit project from start to finish. In this class, we provide all the class notes, lesson plans, and the Revit file, plus videos, so you can do the same during the self-paced course. I'm a professional architect here in Chicago, where I work at several colleges, training hundreds of students on the use of Revit. So feel free to use me as a resource as we walk through this project. Currently on the screen, we've got floor plans we'll develop. We'll go through dimensioning, adding notes and what have you, creating sections, elevations of your projects from an interior design standpoint. And we'll also delve into creating presentation graphics so you can sell your designs to your clients and stakeholders in your projects. So this is all done in 8 weeks. We'll package the course for you, and it's available to anyone that registers for the class.